Hi, I'm Amanda, an applications engineer at MSP. I'm going to talk you through how I helped one of our customers interpret their benchmark report results in a 20-minute phone call and save £20,000 in machine downtime, lost production and lengthy waits for a maintenance visit. Machine performance checking is really important to prevent machine downtime, which can potentially run into high costs while the machine is not producing parts and waiting on maintenance, especially if from abroad. The NC Perfect Part Benchmark is a machine health check which can be performed on a schedule to diagnose and predict a machine's health. A customer contacted our support team requesting help interpreting their benchmark results. Their benchmark showed that the rotary axis tests, which measure the performance of the rotary axes independently and together, were out of tolerance, meaning that their machine was not capable of producing 5-axis parts accurately. The rotary axis test tolerances are set according to the part tolerances, which mean if the rotary axis errors were left unidentified, any subsequent part produced on that machine would be scrapped. From NC Perfect Part rotary axis test results, we are able to interpret whether the errors are likely to be caused by a mechanical or kinematic fault. Each test results in a concise report displaying tables and graphs of data, which show the squareness of an axis or any issues related to, for example, backlash or worn bearings. Our customer's rotary axis test showed large kinematic errors, indicating that the mechanical performance of the axes were in very good condition, but the machine parameters relating to kinematic point of rotation and pivot point required adjusting. NC Perfect Part rotary axis test results will display these suggested changes required to the point of rotation, so our customer was able to quickly adjust their machine parameters so that their machine was back up and running and producing good parts quickly, saving them the cost and lockdown wait time of flying someone over from Europe to fix their machine.